am very proud to be a student of Muhammad Ali Nirbhasan Islamic Academy.
Good job. Afra, now I'm going to ask you some questions and you give me the answer, okay?
Okay.
What's your name?
This is Afra Binte Ansari.
Okay, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Abdullah Ansari.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Taslima Tami.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
Where do you study?
I study in Muhammad Ali Nirbhasan Islamic Academy. I am very proud to be a student of Muhammad Ali Nirbhasan Islamic Academy.
Good job, good job. Okay. Shabash.